Welcome. Chad Shank created this video when he had no voice. This is an experiment using AI to teach.
Hey songwriter! Welcome back to At-Home Songwriting. Today we're talking about step 6 of 9.
Step 6 of 9 in writing songs that hit harder is focusing on your second verse. Verse 2.
Verse 2 isn't there to say something new. It's there to make the chorus mean more.
Same chorus, same words, just more weight.
Verse 1 introduces the idea. Verse 2 is what makes me believe it.
Step 6 is called strengthen the point, don't change it. It sounds strict, but it's actually freeing.
Your chorus stays the same. Verse 2 just brings new proof.
If the chorus makes an emotional claim, verse 2 shows why it's real.
Verse 2 really has one job: remove doubt.
What else proves this is true? How do I know it's not a fluke?
Same emotion, same argument. You're just changing the angle. You're not rewriting the song. You're just rotating the camera.
Verse 1 might show a moment. Verse 2 might show a pattern.
Verse 2 still has to be concrete. If you can't see it, you probably won't feel it. Contrast does the work. Before and after. Now and then.
If verse 2 starts explaining the song, you've gone too far.
A strong verse 2 feels inevitable. You're just proving what the listener already knows.
If verse 2 adds weight, the chorus comes back stronger without changing a word.
This is a little experiment created by Chad Shank for At-Home Songwriting.
Next week, we're diving into step 7 of 9.
If this helped, like and subscribe to At-Home Songwriting. We'll see you in the next video.